Easy Parking Automatic FM Lifting Oscillator System. The operation process is as follows. After the automatic frequency modulation system starts up, the system will automatically detect the ground status, automatically adjust the height of each leg, until the car reaches the level. After the FM is completed, the y-axis coordinates are displayed as 0, characteristic horizontal state is established. Then the system can control the overall rise. The user can interrupt the ascent process at any height to meet actual usage requirements. When the outriggers are retracted, the system first descends the car body to the lowest position and make sure the y-axis coordinates are 0. Then the outriggers in the drop will automatically retract to their initial height. Complete the entire recovery process. System features the outright base adopts a movable panel design. Even if the ground is uneven, it can still effectively touch the ground and maintain the overall level, enhance the adaptability and stability of the frequency modulation process. Not only to ensure the safety of the operation, it also significantly enhances the stability and comfort of parking. The equipment is suitable for the design of RV, emergency vehicle, trailer, and semi-truck. Its single leg has a static load capacity of 12 tons. The dynamic load is 5 tons. Operating at full load at 5 mm per second. Supports 48-volt DC or 220-volt AC voltage input. The itinerary can be customized according to demand. Welcome to Inquire.